Good morning, children. Hope you all have a nice weekend. Today, let us learn about how to divide a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. In the previous video, you learned about how to multiply a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. Division of a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000 can be performed by moving the decimal point to the left. Okay. Left by as many places as a number of zeros in the divisor. Divisor means നമ്മൾ ഏത് നമ്പർ കൊണ്ടാണോ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഡിവൈസർ. ഹിയർ ദ ഡിവൈസേഴ്സ് ആർ 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, let me explain this, children. When we divide a number by 10, we are shifting the decimal point one place to the left side. One place. 752.3 divided by 10. Here in 10 there is only one zero. So shift the decimal one place to the left side. Left. Okay. Multiplication നമ്മൾ റൈറ്റിലേക്കാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ലെഫ്റ്റിലോട്ടാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So this is a new position. So our answer becomes 75.23. Okay. When we are dividing by 100, in 100 there are two zeros. അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ two places shift ചെയ്യാം. Start from here 1, 2. So our answer becomes 7.523. Okay. Next we are dividing the same number by 1000. Dividing by 1000. 3 places to the left side. 1, 2, 3. This is a new position. So children, here before the decimal there is no digit. So put a 0, then dot, 7, 5, 2, 2, 3. This is our answer. Okay. Now our next question is 4.8 divided by 10. So here we are shifting the decimal point one place to the left side. So this is the position of the decimal, one place. So this is a new position, 0.48. Okay. Next is 2.7 divided by 100. Division by 100 means two places to the left side. 100ൽ 2 zeros ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 2 places shift ചെയ്യാം. So start from here. 1 place, 2 places. Here children, there is no place, no digit. No digit in this place. So put a 0. So our answer becomes 0.027. Okay. Here in this question, we are shifting the decimal point 2 places to the left side because we are dividing by 100. So shift the decimal 1, 2. We need one more place here. In our question, only one place, that is 2. Since we are dividing by 100, we need one more place. അപ്പോൾ ആ പ്ലേസ് ഇല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ഒരു 0 ഇട്ടു. Then the decimal point. Then before the decimal point, put a 0 also. So our answer becomes 0.027. Okay. Next is 128.0 divided by 1000. So shift the decimal point 3 places to the left side. Start from here. 1, 2, 3. This is the decimal. So 0.128 is our answer. Okay. Next is 2510.0 divided by 10. Division by 10 means shift the decimal one place. One place. Divisor, here the divisor is 10. Divisoril എത്ര 0 ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലേ? So start from here, one place. This is a new position. So our answer becomes 251.0. Okay. Next is 2510.0 divided by 100. Divided by 100 means shift the decimal point 2 places to the left side. So 1, 2. This is the new position. So 25.10. Okay. Next is we are dividing the same number by 1000. 1000. So shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. So 1, 2, 3. So 2.510 is our answer. Okay. Now let us do more examples, children. Our next question is 0.3 divided by 10. 0.3 divided by 10. Children, here we are dividing by 10. Division by 10 means shift the decimal 1 place to the left side. So start from here, 1 place. This is the new position. So our answer becomes 0.03. If we are dividing the same number by 100, 100 means shift the decimal point 2 places to the left side. So start from here, 1 place, 2 places. So there is no digit here. So what will we do? Put a 0, then decimal. So our answer becomes 0.003. Okay. So children, here we need one more place. We are shifting the decimal point 2 places to the left side. 2 places ആണ് നമുക്ക് shift ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു place ഉള്ളൂ, 0. So we need one more place. So what will we do? Write a 0, then decimal. This is our answer. 0.003. Okay. If we are dividing the same number by 1000, 1000 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ദ ഡെസിമൽ 3 places അല്ലേ? സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ, 1, only 1 place here. So 2 places, we need a 0. Okay, then again one more place, 0, then decimal point. So our answer is 0.0003. Okay. So children, here we are shifting the decimal point from here. ഇവിടുന്ന് നമ്മൾ 3 places shift ചെയ്യണം. In our answer there is only 1 place. We need 2 places more. നമുക്ക് ഇനി 2 places കൂടെ വേണം. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഇതിലില്ല, ഈ നമ്പറിലില്ല. So in such cases you should put 2 zeros. Okay. എക്സ്ട്രാ പ്ലേസസിന് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ സീറോസ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇടണം. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് 27.3 divided by 100. Shift the decimal 2 places. So 1, 2. This is the new position. So our answer is 0.273. Okay. Next is 27.3 divided by 1000. So shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. So 1, 2, 3. Where is the third place? There is no digit here. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ടീച്ചർ? 0 ഇടുക. Then decimal point. So our answer becomes 0.0273. Okay. If you are dividing the same number by 10, shift the decimal 1 place to the left side. So this is the new position. Our answer becomes 2.73. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children. Take care.